Good morning, my dear students. My name is Paulaj বিশ্বাস, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, discuss the B-spline curves. This is my lesson number 12, and also the subject is the computer-aided design. B-splines. B-splines is the in the mathematical subfields or numerical analysis. A B-splines or basis splines is a spline function that has minimal supports with respect to the given degree, smoothness, and domain portions of here. The any spline functions of given degree can be expressed as a linear combinations of B-splines of that degree. Cardinal um, cardinals B-splines have keynotes that are equidistant from each others. B-splines can be used for curve fittings and numerical differentiations on experimental data is required. Basically, you have to put in your the numerical as like as your the experimental data on your curve fittings, as like your the different points will be organized the during to your the B splines, and this experimental data will be records. In computer aided designs and computer graphics, that like your the splines functions are constructed as a linear combinations of B splines with a set of control point is required. And the term B splines was coined by Isaac Jacob Schoenberg and is short of for basis splines is here. A spline functions of order is a piecewise polynomial functions of degree in variables. Basically, this is the spline function that is considered like a polynomial function of degree. The place where the pieces meets are known as keynotes. These considerations here, the key properties of spline function is that they and their derivatives may be continuous and may be continuous, just like your the depending on the multi facilities of the keynotes is coming here during toward the B splines. And another thing is here the B splines of order are basis functions for splines functions of the same order defined over the same keynotes, meaning that all possible spline functions can be built from a linear combinations of B splines, and there is only one unique combination for each spline function is found. Basically, we have to draw your the B spline curves that makes your the required for your the unique combinations at like your the unique functions at like your the unique polynomials values will be put your the each and every spline functions will be considered. um, the spline or of order is piecewise. The polynomial functions of degree that like is the on n minus 1 is a in a variable x. The you have to consider according to your the polynomial function is given that like your the degree the n minus 1. That means the n is the first point is the minus 1 is the another point is the considered, and variable x the values of x where the pieces of polynomial meet are known as keynotes denoted TO, T0, and like is the T1, T2, and Tn, and stores into non-decreasing order. That like is the non-decreasing orders. When the keynotes are distinct, the first n minus 2, that like is the derivatives of the polynomial pieces are continuous across its nodes. When r nodes are coincident, then only the first n minus r minus 1 derivatives of the spline are continuous across that node is here. For a given sequence of nodes, there is up to a scaling vector. A unique splice that like is the bi nx is the satisfying is here. The you can see here the B spline curves. The you can consider the this form of cubic segments use a third set of basis functions different from the type of discussed earlier. Basically, a cube beta spline is curved is a special case of spline curve. And like this will be the special case of spline curves. and then the equation for this curve can be written as the pu equals to the summation of I equals to 1 and the n, that like use the pi n I k u is here, that like you have to see in here the u such that the third bracket 0 n minus k plus 2 is given this value is the putting here, that like you have the u value, and that this generates what is known as piecewise polynomial is considered according to these equations, that like your the u value is depends on this the 0 and n minus k plus 2. And another thing is the piecewise polynomial, the nu blending functions, the nu is the blending functions are defined the recursively as nu equals to 1, that is t1 less than u less than t1 plus 1 is considered the equivalent to 0. The nu equals to 0 will be considered that like the, and otherwise the nu equals to the u minus t into n, the comma ku by t minus t, t1 minus t is given, that like your value is the u minus t to n comma ku by t1 minus t plus t minus u n comma ku by t1 minus t. This is the value of nu. The resulting parametric polynomials are of degree k minus 1, that that are called keynote values is found, that like your the for an open curve here, the putting this value t1 equals to 0, that is I less than k, and t1 equals to I minus k plus 1, that is if the k value is less than equals to I less than equals to n, that is the I such that the third bracket, that like your the 0 comma n plus k is considered according to these values, and ti equals to n minus k plus 2 if I is greater than n. And you can see the different value of this t depends, and although that this value is putting on this the equation n u and this the above equations, the blending functions confines the effects of a control points movement to the immediate local. Immediate locus is here, thus the curve change shape is local and not global as it for Bezier curve, that like is the not is the local, and this is the not a global, is for this the Bezier curve is here. You can see the xu equals to 1 u square u cube into 1 by 6. Then you can see a matrix that like your the square matrix will be considered is the 4 into 4. The 1, the first column is find here the 1 minus 3, 3 minus 1, and the second column is find the 4, 0 minus 6, 3. Third column the 1, 3, 3 minus 3, and the fourth column is here the 0, 0, 0, 1. And this is the another will be find here that like your the x I minus 2, the x I minus 1, x1, and the x I plus 1, and this will be consideration according to this, the that like your the matrix is matrix is prepared when the control points are distinct. This curve is continuous in slope and in curvature, that like the this curve is continuous in slope and in curvature between successive segments, that like your the successive segments, but it does not pass through any of the intermediate control points, that like that does not pass through any of the intermediate control points. The cube beta spline has the advantages that the control points may be moved without affecting slopes and curvature continuity, and only for spans of the overall curve will be affected by the changes. Moreover, by allowing the two control points to coincide, it is possible to create curvature discontinuity. That like your the curvature is here, that like your the discontinuity. A slope discontinuity similarly can be introduced by choosing three successive control points to be coincident. And another thing, it is possible to represent complex curve shape by considering composite curves. That like here the composite curve is considered according to this B, cubic B spline curve is here, and it is possible to represent complex curve shaped by considering the composite curve constructed from individual segments, that you are the individual segments. In the case of cubic spline, the Bezier and B-spline technique is used, that like that. The case of cubic spline and also the Bezier and B-spline techniques. You can see here that this will be the curve is here, and also one will be considered according to your the beta splines and also the Bezier curve. The previous classes already discussed according to your the Bezier curve, and you can see that this technique is also considered according to this the cube, and the relationship to piecewise composite Bezier. A Bezier curve is also a polynomial curve definable using a recursions from lower degree curves of the same class and encoded in terms of control points, but a key difference is that all terms in the recursions for Bezier curve segment have the same domain of definitions, usually the 0, 1, whereas the supports of the two terms in the B-spline recursions are different. They're like the outermost subdental values are not common. This comes during the relationships to piecewise composite Bezier. This means a Bezier curve of degree n given by m is greater than n. Control point consists of about m by n mostly independent segments, whereas the B-splines with the same parameters smoothly transitions from the sub-interval to sub-interval. That like your the comes in the transitions from this the sub-interval to this the sub-interval. To get something comparable from Bezier curves, the one would need to impose a smoothness conditions on transitions between segments, resulting in some manner of Bezier spline. That likes the Bezier curves, one would needs to impose the smoothness conditions on transitions between the segments. That likes that during to these segments you have to find the resulting in the some manner of Bezier splines, for which many control points would be determined by the some smoothness requirement. Just like your the smoothness is required during to draw a curve segmentation, then this will be determined from this the different control points. A piecewise composite Bezier curve is a series of Bezier curves joined with a list the C0 continuity, that likes the last point of one curve coincide with the starting point of the next curve is here. That like your the Bezier curves is the when this will be joined here, that makes here the least continuity, that like your the C0, the last point is one curve is coincide with the starting point of the next curve is here. The depending on the applications, additional smoothness requirements such as C1 or C2 continuity is here, that likes B may be added. C1 continuous curves have identical tangents at the breakpoints where the two curves meet. That likes the C2 continuous curves have identical curvature at the breakpoints. That means the C1 is the continuous curvature, that like the C2 is the continuous curve. Also, this will be the identical curvature, and another will be considered according to this the break points. You can see the 2 gain C2 continuity, the Bezier curve loss local control here. That like your the C2, that like your the continuity Bezier curves, and this will be losses your the local control. The which is the point. This is the where is the movement and also which places staying, and this is considered according to this the local control. And because of enforce the C2 continuity, the control points are depend on each other. If a signal single control points the moves, the whole spline needs to be re-evaluated. That likes your the single control points is the moves, and it will require the whole spline, that like the need to the be re-evaluated, that like the evaluateds will be required. The B splines have both C2 continuity and local control. The this will be required for this the both C2 continuity and also the local control, but they lose the interpolations property of the piecewise Bezier. That likes you have to consider according to your the Bezier as like as your the B splines. This will be required for your the local controls, and also you will be required the interpolations property. The piecewise Bezier is here, and the NURBS, that like the in computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, and the computer graphics. Under these three things, that like your the SCAD, the computer graphics, and and another is the computer aided manufacturing, that like the KIM, CAD CAM is here. The powerful extensions of B splines is non-uniform rational B spline, that like is considered is here NURBS. That this B spline is considered according to these three things, and also the non-uniform rational B spline is here, that is called the NURBS, that lies the nerves. The NURBS are essentially B splines in homogeneous coordinates, that like is the homogeneous coordinates like B splines. They are defined by their order, and a connotes vector and a set of control points. But unlike simple B splines, the control points each have a weight. The each and every B splines have the control point each have a weight. When the weight is equal to 0, that like a nerves NURBS is simply a B spline, and is as such nerves generalized both B splines and Bezier curves and surfaces. The primary differences being the weighting of the control points which makes NURBS curves rational. The by evaluating a NURBS at various values of the parameters, the curve can be traced. Curves can be traced through space, and also this curve will be considered according to these different parameters, and also this will be traced on the different points on the space. The likewise, by evaluating a nerve surface, at various values will be here during to your the various values of the two parameters, that like your the two parameters, the surfaces can be represented surfaces can be represented in Cartesian space. Is the comes from this the Cartesian space, like the B-splines, also the nerves control points determine the shape of the curve. That like the NU or BS also will be the control or the determine the curve shapes. Each point of the curve is computed by taking a weighted sum of a number of control points. The weight of each point varies. The each point weight varies according to the governing parameters. For a curve of degree d, the influence of any control point is only non-zero in d plus 1 intervals. That likes you have to consider your curve is generated during to the space interval or also the movement of this, that like your the local control is generated, that likes the d plus 1 intervals keynote spans of the parameter space is here. Within this intervals, the weight changes according to a polynomial function. Basis functions of degree d at the boundaries of the interval, the basis functions go smoothly to 0. Basically, you have to go your the basis function, that like your the smoothly to the 0, the smoothness being determined by the degree of polynomial functions. That like your the polynomial is depends on the which is the degree n plus 1 or the n minus 1, this will be the depends on the during your the smooth curve, and the keynote vector is a sequence of parameters value. Basically the this curve will each and every curve will be represented, then also will be different parametrics value will be dependence, and also the sequence of this the parameters value that determines where and how the control points affect the NURBS curves. Basically, this control point is the affected to this the curve, and this curve also will be affected by the different control points, and this parametric sequence also will be determines the where and how the control points affected the nerves curve, NURBS curve. And another things, the number of keynotes is always equal to the number of control points plus curve degree plus 1. That like what the number of k nodes is always equal to this the number of control points. And another things, the each time the parameter value enters a new node span, that like the each and every times your the parameter values also will be enter the new node span, a new control points become active while an old control point is discarded. Suppose you have to activate the new control points, and then you have to always the old control point is the discards. That is your the you have to new will be introduced, but your the old is the always remove and also the discards from these systems. Then you have your the old control point is the discards. And the two important surface representations scheme exist, extended the control of shape, that like your the beyond movement of control vertex, that like your the representations will be exist the beyond movement of control vertex. These are nerves that like the non-uniform relations rational B spline, that like beta splines is here, the is called the NURBS and beta splines. In the case of NURBS, a local vertex is extended to a four-dimensional coordinates. The extra parameters being a weight that allows is subtle subtitle from a of control which is different in effort to moving a control vertex in the simplest form of beta splines control to global parameters, that is the basis and tensions are introduced which affected the whole curve. You can see here a non-uniform B-spline curve is defined on a keynote vector where the interior keynote spans are not equal. A rational B-spline is defined by a set of four-dimensional control points. The P equals to W1 x Wixi, the Wixyi, Wijzi, Wi. The perspective map of the such a curve in three-dimensional space is called a rational beta spline curve. That like your the pu equals to a is third bracket, that like the I equals to 0 summation of n, the pi to w, the niku is here, that like your the pu equals to a is third bracket, the summation of I equals to 0, that means the n, the pi w nik, the u is here, and also you have to define, that means the summation of I equals to 0 n, the pi riku is here. The rational beta splines have the same analytical and geometric properties as non-rational beta splines. The wi associated with each control point is called a weight and can be viewed as an extra shape parameters. The extra shape parameters is here. Wi affects the curve only locally and can be interpreted geometrically as a coupling factor. The curve is pulled throughout control points if w increase. You can see that this is the curve is here, that like is the ground. You can see the one curves, and the above in this the another curve is lying here. The Nernst curves polynomial curve defined in homogeneous coordinates blue, that like your the blue is considered your the curve polynomial defined the homogeneous coordinates, and in projection on plane the rational curve, that like is the red. You can see the one is the non-rational curves, another is the rational curves. The non-rational curves is defined during to the blue color, and the rational curve is seen during to this the red color. And you can see here this is the control polygon, and the control point also will be described during to this curve. You can see the control polygon, that likes is the arrow is given here on this, and the control point is defined for the each and every points. Then this will be movement is found, that like is called the control point. You have to each and every point on same the during to this the control points. And the application of B-spline functions. The application of B-spline functions in the domain of machine tool control can be efficient only if it is possible to simultaneously control the shape of a counter and the speed along this counter. And another things, the describe a method allowing us to control the speed of a tool moving along a counter defined by a uniform cube B splines. Another thing is here, the B spline function is a combination of flexible bands that passes through the number of points that are called control points and creates smooth curve also. These functions enables the creations and managements of complex shapes and surface using a number of points. B-spline function and Bezier function are applied extensively in shape optimization method. Next class is discuss the rational curves. Thank you, students.